Hi everyone, you're welcome to my video today on Tech in a Nutshell. Today I'll be shedding some light on some tech jobs that do not require coding skills. I've had people ask me time and time again if they need to learn how to code before transiting into tech, and the answer is no. You do not necessarily need to learn how to code. I mean, there are several jobs out there. There are several aspects of IT that do not require you learning how to code. And one of them is product management. Product management is basically about developing products, having conversations with customers as to what they expect from products. It's basically about innovation. So if you're somebody that is innovative, somebody that likes to interface with customers, product management is good for you. So your duty basically is to see the development of the product from beginning to the end and ensuring that the requirements that the customer has given you is what you're going to output at the end of the day. So your job role basically is to innovate, develop new products, interface with customers, get their requirements, and ensure that your technical team is actually doing what the customer wants. You don't need to know how to code. You can learn how to code, but you don't necessarily need it. And this job is very, very lucrative. Like, product managers right now are very, very hot in the market, high demand. Because I think some time ago it was discovered that 21% of products do not actually meet the customer's needs. Because usually there is a gap, there is a communication gap between the customers and the engineering team. So the product manager is there to bridge that gap between your customer and the product and the engineers to ensure that your products meet the requirements and the needs of your customers. So you can check out product management. Another one is data analytics. Wow, that's a very, very big industry right now, because everything around us is about data. For artificial intelligence, for machine learning, you need data. You need lots of data. So you can also check out data analytics. Basically, data analytics requires you have software tools, you have visualization tools that you can use for analyzing your data. You necessarily do not need to know how to program. Another one is project management. Yes, every project needs to be managed efficiently, needs to consider the risks involved, needs to know who is working on what, and needs to set timelines. You need to set timelines for deliverables so that the project can be, or the product can be delivered in a specific time. So you need a project manager to manage the whole process of development to deployment, managing the time and resources per project. These people are very important in the tech industry. So if you have the knack for managing projects, for organizing things, I think you should look into project management. And the pay is very, very encouraging, right? So project management is another aspect of IT that you absolutely need no coding skills to do. Like I said, you can still learn how to code. I mean, it's going to give you some kind of edge, but basically you don't need it, but you can do it for your personal development. Then another aspect that is highly, highly overlooked and totally underrated is technical writing. In fact, these are the real OGs of the tech space, to be honest. They are the real OGs, because without technical documentation as a techie, you're practically lost. You're practically lost, because there are times when you will have issues and you need to make reference to a documentation, and if you have nothing online, you are going to be swimming in an ocean aimlessly. So technical documentation is actually very, very important. What do technical writers do? They basically prepare documentations, they do reviews, that's updates from time to time. They maintain the documents, for each technology. So technical writing is very, very important, and it's a very lucrative aspect too. So if you have a knack for writing, I think technical writing will be very suitable for you. So these are the few tech spaces that you can transit into if you have a non-techie background. You don't necessarily need to know how to write codes. This is the end of almost the end of 2021. What are your tech goals for 2022? We can never have enough people in the tech space because we have new innovations every day, we have new sectors every day, so we need more people in the tech space. So consider project management, data analytics, project management, and technical writing. Thank you very much for watching my video. So kindly like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.